Pa-Andrew, we would like to request that you blow the candles, but bago po ninyo yung gawin, hinihilingan din po namin na habang kayo po ay napapalibutan ng inyong mga mahal sa buhay, ang inyong mga anak, na mag-wish po kayo, silent wish, para po sa inyong sarili before you blow the candle. Bibilang po kami ng 3 at the count of 3, bilangan po natin 1, 2, 3 bago po ipa ni Ka-Andrew yung candle. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Ka-Andrew! Sabay-sabay po natin mawitan ang ating minamahal na si Ka-Andrew ng happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Muli, isa po pong happy birthday song. Kantahan po natin. May I request everybody to please raise your glass? Raise your glass. Let's toast. Cheers. Let's toast for Ka-Andrew's good health, happiness, and prosperity. Cheers. Thank you so much. Again, the birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Marami pong salamat. Ka-Andrew, again, happy birthday, and we all wish you the best. Good health, happiness, and prosperity.
Thank you. Thank you.
Dahil marami pong nagmamahal kay Ka-Andrew, bibigyang daan po natin ang mga espesyal na mensahe para sa kanya.